Hello, my name is Malika Touirssa and I'm a computer science student participating in the HackUnited Hackathon V7, and this is my project. I named it CRUX and it's based on the theme, which is sports, and the sport that I chose is bouldering. For those who don't know what bouldering is, I put some definitions here for certain words so that the project is easier to understand. So bouldering is a sport where you have to climb walls, usually 4 to 5 meters tall, without ropes, without helmets, without anything. So the problem with this sport is that it's not just about physical strength or flexibility, but it's also about how well you are at solving problems and at identifying patterns. That's why this system makes it easier for people to understand the best route that needs to be taken for them to reach the top. So you can try a demo wall here, which is just a virtual wall. I will show all of these details and explain them with an actual image of a boulder wall. So here you can click on snap the wall and then choose a picture of the wall. So I will choose one of the pictures that I have saved, for example this wall. As we can see, for those who don't know, when you're climbing a wall in a bouldering gym, you have to follow the same color. You can't touch the holds that have a different color. So here there are different types of holds. There's a jug, which is, for example, this type of hold or this type of hold. A foot chimp, for example, these small holds where you have to put your foot on them. So there's a definition here for all the different types in case you need time to understand them. And then this yellow thing on the hold shows that this is the start, and then this is the finish, so this is the top. So we can just define the different holds like this. This is a sloper, which means that you could just use your hand and push it on it. So after you've defined them, you now have to pick how confident you are in your skills. For example, there's dyno, which is jumping. I would say no. Crimp, strength, slopers, flexibility, balance, and then the height, I'd say 175. 55 kilograms. The wall, let's say for example it's 5 meters tall, and the level of the climb is between a V0 and V2, which means it's not that hard. The picture was taken from far away, and then you solve the route. So when you click on solve the route, it shows you the different ways in which you can climb it, the faster and most efficient way to climb. So for example, this path includes a dyno, which means a jump, and it precises where the dyno is. It precises all the different techniques used. It shows you the way where you have to put your right hand, right foot, left foot. All over here it shows you which holds you can just skip. So this is how it's done. This is how it works. I hope this was very informative. Thank you.